It's Pixar Fest 2024. This festival is one of my favorites, and this year it feels more festive than ever. You know that Christmas feeling? Pixar gives off the same vibes. It's like a whole season of joy. You can even sense the festivities strolling through downtown Disney. Aren't these decorations amazing? Check it out, Centrico is open. This is the new restaurant that replaced the Uva Bar. Can't wait to try their guacamole. See how it compares to Tortilla Joe's. I can't get enough of these decorations. Word on the street, these were inspired by the artist Mary Blair. She created the artwork for The Small World back in like the 60s. These are so neat. It's lunchtime and we are so hungry. First stop, Hollywoodland for some nachos. These are the Ramone nachos from Studio Catering. It's grilled chicken, queso blanco, refried beans, pico de gallo, salsa verde, cotija cheese, serrano peppers, and radishes. I would definitely get these again. For drinks, we stopped at the Hollywood Lounge and we got this Motorama Girl. It's vodka, rum, blue curacao, and pineapple cocktail. A bit too sweet for my taste, but not too bad. This one is the Desert Pear Margarita. It's desert pear syrup, tequila, and lemon lime mix. This is way better than the Motorama Girl in my opinion. And this is the Bacon Street Dog from Award Wieners. It's a regular menu item and always a great choice. Dang, check out this line for the new Pizza Planet popcorn bucket. I've never seen a line for a popcorn bucket in California Adventure that has been this long before. It's shopping time! Let's head over to the Knick store on the pier to see what new festival merchandise they have.
This is new.
This is so cool! It's a bag, but I think it's a... Oh, it looks like a crossbody one. It has a loop here, and then you have your strap here. Look, so and it has a lining. Look at how cute that is.
It's cute.
A lining, you can put your phone, and it has a thing for your cards.
Oh, how neat.
Or receipts.
So it's like a wallet and a phone.
It's almost like a wallet, yeah. A wallet or a phone thing. Keys. This is so cool. What is it, 14?
Yeah.
It fits. It'll fit. This is so neat. I like that. Neat. What is this? Coasters! Tell me. That's so neat. So the back of it, here, let me move it. Can you see? Mm-hmm. They're plastic. They're like, not rubber, but like kind of rubbery. But the soft rubber that attracts water. If that makes sense. Right. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That soft rubber. Yeah, Pixar Fest, this is so cool. It's the ball. I like that. And then bucket hats. It's reversible.
Oh, it's reversible.
So you can have it like this.
Yeah.
And then you can flip it and have it like that. I love that.
So cool.
That's so neat and has 2024 on it. That's so cool. Okay, I like this actually too.
Yeah, that canteen.
The canteen, and it has all the dudes.
That's really cool.
Yeah, look at Edna Reddy. I like that. Oh, and it says Pixar Fest on the side. I think it's insulated because it has that like echoey.
Oh, right.
You know when you do that? Yeah.
Yeah, and then you could clip stuff to it.
Yeah, you can clip it. Awesome. I do like that too.
This is neat.
That is neat. Look how cool that is. Oops. That's super neat. This too. This is a cool tote.
It is cool.
Mm-hmm. They have a tote and they have socks. These socks are the best.
Is that a little dog sweater?
It is. Is it a slicker? It's a slicker. Tell me how cute that is. It's a little slicker for a dog. That's cute. It's a pet jacket. I like that. That's cute. See?
They do look crazy.
They look crazy. He's actually done. That's so neat. Yeah. You know what? I don't remember seeing these anywhere. Do you? These
No.
are neat.
Yeah, I think those are new.
These are new, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look at how cool this Nemo one is. I love it. It's like a 3D. There's two plates, one on back and to give that dimension. That's so cool. Oh, I like this. Look at them. That's very cute. Can you see the back? It's perfect.
Plain.
There's nothing on the back.
Yeah,
I actually like this.
it's neat.
Is this did we see this in the front?
No,
This is for babies?
that's for babies.
I'm about to buy it. They have a Forky brush.
True.
You did us dirty the other day. Oh man, Forky's dying on me again. We're heading over to Bing Bong Sweet Stuff to see what other festival merchandise we can find there. She's my spirit animal. Oh my god, she's playing with the baby.
How cute.
How cute.
That one wasn't over there.
No, this is nearly neat.
Yeah,
I like
that's
this
neat.
one. A lot. It's a zip up,
Oh, cool.
but look at they have the balls
Oh,
in
yeah.
the hood
They do have the balls.
and then the back. That looks so cool. Look at how cute. It's a buzz head. So you buy the headband and then you buy the accessory to attach to the headband, and you can make your own ears. So if they have Woody somewhere, you can have a Buzz and a Woody, or a Buzz and a Bo Peep if they ever come out with Buzz and Bo Peep. That's cute.
But they only have butts.
Yeah, they only have Buzz here.
But you could strap it to your backpack, I guess, and have little heads.
That's true. You could strap it to your backpack. you could. Should I buy this so we can play?
What is it? Guess who?
Guess who?
I know a shortcut. Come on.
That's true.
We're gonna be playing as we're waiting for the fireworks, right? Or we could get this big, gigantic marble run and just set it up.
Set it-
We have some time to kill before the Pixar Pals parade, so we got this street-style watermelon and al pastor taco plate from Paradise Grill. If you haven't tried watermelon with lime juice, chili lime seasoning, and chamoy, you are missing out. This is the only way I will eat watermelon from now on. It is so good. It's almost time for the Pixar Pals Playtime party. This is at the Fantasyland Theater by the entrance to Toontown.
Look, Jade is there. What's her name? Fire is there. Fire and Raindrop is there.
Escape the heat with a cold drink and take a seat on the bleachers and watch Pixar shorts, or head down to the front of the stage and dance with your favorite Pixar characters. And it's so cute. They have a bunch of photo ops from your favorite Pixar movies like Up, Monsters Inc., and A Bug's Life.
Pixar Pals Playtime Party! Let's see who's dancing with us. Now get ready because these are about to get spicy.
I couldn't afford enough premium carpet to get us to the stage. I mean, it was a short walk, but it was pretty luxurious, right?
Same glasses.
And a 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, a twist. Come on, mister. 1, 2, jump up and down. Maybe this is incredible. Rosa, what's your favorite dance move? Okay, here's that dance floor.
Back in California Adventure, Hollywoodland transforms into Club Pixar with cool neon signs and awesome music. I don't think they have these dancers anymore, but I know they still have music that you can dance to. Not in the mood to dance? Take a seat at the drive-in and watch Pixar shorts. We totally missed out on these games. I bet that they were playing these games while we were waiting for the parade. But check it out, they even have cornhole. A Disney festival day isn't complete without fireworks. Back at Disneyland, we managed to grab a spot to the left of the castle, and it was the worst spot. As you can see, this beautiful tree blocked almost all of the fireworks. Is it just me, or have the fireworks always come from the side of the castle? I remember them being directly behind the castle in the past.
infinity and beyond.